At least 6 people then dey for back counter just now for inside the judicial police station for Douala for sake say they put their hand for some dirty thing them. According to way police them talk, they are suspects. We go take una to talk accident wey happen for far north region for Marua Bogo and Marua Salak. We dey hear say accident dey happen for the way concern Okada and motor them. We go tell una that chapter 2 this afternoon for quarter where they call am Newtown Areoport for the na population where they provoke come out. They broke some mommy house where they blame say na the mommy e make am some pikin where they prepare for exam e die, some kind of funny die. We go talk that one this afternoon. Then we go take una too. We enter for inside waka wey minister for sick people Dr. Manauda Malashi e dey make am just now e dey for Betua. That new machine where they check people them skin too with the year say maybe the first person wey go enter for day e go enter na for number 16 day for July according to Tori where he enter for inside we hear. Corona we go tell una as we different country they see am sabi say na for 7:30 Cameroon time where Cameroon e go play with a Super Eagles for Nigeria na for Bobo Ndamba as we the two country that they prepare for qualifiers for World Cup 20 World Cup where they go play am for inside Qatar. Newspaper we get and case for people them trade they don't lose we go bring am this afternoon. Big people them talk it tell we say a person wey decide for put small fuel inside the motor make it sabi to say the motor go make economy for sika say go waka now only for the distance wey the fuel if you carry go. Yes, say if you decide for put fuel inside your motor small the motor to go waka now for the same small way you put the fuel for inside. Black Jesus for Yawende na he send we big people them talk. We return back small time. Plenty salute for outside the country people them. Palava for insecurity for Cameroon. Binet capital we sabi say even the big man for national security don dey knack am for table just now say e no go shidon for Douala. Then e people them they know the hear fine now for inside judicial police station as we Tori dey enter for we ear when a big man for criminal side where they make investigate e dey talk for we they don't catch some men them na them 5 days inside that 5 the person wey dey for me do na woman e name na Linda 35 years old where they talk say they dey do binet for make fake docky them for people that way they want travel come up for outside country. Balok he meet up the one them for sika say one of the people them where they make that docky them as we Tori he enter for we ear. Policeman he catch him for inside Douala airport where he be one enter for some aeroplane where they go for a Senegal as we Tori enter for inside we ear. Now so to the catchy with the Cameroon passport inside fake visa where the show say he go now for Italy. So just now catching be start from Yawende, Douala, then last they meet up all them. So all them 5 as well they see them so they dey for back counter country people them for sika say they make fake docky for people them for fly and come out for outside a country. So the here they say that this also continue for help police people them for the investigate for now. They dey for under the suspect name as well they go call them for BB grammar but sabi say themselves as well police if they talk with them they say they be guilty for all thing wey they don't do am and the police people them they no catch them empty. So for inside judicial police station we enter for the other one as we Tori enter for we here. Some of the things that way the police people them catch make we see am na passport that with the say they catch with them 3 Cameroonian passports with fake visa them for inside, computer stamp them plus even a resident permit for people that way they don't go for Belgium and one them where they go for inside Canada. So they get all that one them where the police people then catch out with them. So all the one them now they think that where it deal with the police people them inside judicial police station. We don't tell now. Raymond Esogo when are the big man for national security. He don't talk say they go continue for the fight and for Siseme Douala a quiet as we Tori enter for we ear. So for inside Judicial Police Station this afternoon, country people them, we get some padimantu where they show we for inside the Judicial Police Station. As well the here, it then for inside some group for 5, as we to re-enter for we here. They be go thief for some hotel from Dokpasi inside Douala 3 subdivision. They say as well they go, they thief 450,000 francs CFA. They thief phone, they thief even chain them for people that they be there inside that hotel. Investigate where police people them after other way come up from up. They investigate so till last they be meet up this group for people them. But with the here 2 they run, one way be one turn up say one pass shoot go with the police people them 2 they shooty, then they catch na demand na say we come with the thing them as way to re-enter for we ESO police. They define the 2 other people there they run for say one person there where he shoot with police people them, and police he shoot that one so they he kill him as way to enter for we ear. And with this boy, police people then catch something that with he we na some of the proof them where they been put on for before for so say being active man. Make we try for see the other thing that way this police them they catch him from this man. Now we enter for the other cargo them yes. Other phone them so na the CM we hear say na phone them they don't thief am from people them way they so they attack plus that country gun country pistol as what they call am where they catch out with it. So now the thing then that way they meet up with this man as we to re-enter for inside we here, and as we detect just now too insecurity for Douala with this boy there they call him say Mazembe. We go surely talk that one on Monday. But I just tell we say the big man for inside Douala here where they look out security. He don't not comfortable setting them. They no go be the same again as we Tori enter we here. Now we take una go for Marua. Accident be happen for day for Marua Bogo place where they call him say Kodek. Now for the way this accident it pass Okada, he make versus with some motor where he be the car with plenty speed. As when this accident happen, Okada be carry 2 people them on top his skin. It means a the Okada man and another person will be she done for back. So them 2 they die as well they become face to face with this motor for that side. So for inside place where they call them say Kodek, and with the here army rescue people them sabi say their work. You know they not only for lost fire they dey too for see as well they come out die body them then wash road for say make the blood in no turn up. So this accident where pass for inside for Marua Bogo highway for place where they call them say Kodek. 2 people them die and 1 other person. As well, the talk just now, he dey for on top sick bed with cuts for his skin. So for the same road, Marua Salak, this time, place where they call them say Yonkole, now another accident we pass for the country people them. Now some gongoro where it away itself after we make versus with some Okada country people them. Inside this other accident where the gongoro he fall for down after we Okada man he confuse he. Now Okada man says we get caught, he dey for on top hospital bed for that side. So for Marua Regional Hospital as we at Tori enter for inside we here. We go come out for that side just now. We come back for Douala, Newtown Areoport. Now the quarter name be that inside Douala here. Now come and see where people them for inside that quarter say they talk. No be na me a talk. They say some mommy na he make the thing so na the siam. Some stick there for before where some white thing there for day where una go struggle for see where the people them. They the one struggle for burn that stick. But they no fit for burn am. They say na some mommy wey they accuse say the mommy get some power wey people they say they no fit understand. They try for talk for say waiting. The mommy if he don't do waiting, they say if mommy cause some pikin, so tell that pikin he die for that side. So for inside Newtown Areoport, now the pikin the mommy says that way he be dey cry plenty. How the thing money happen? When the year say this pikin where they prepare for write public exam, he be dey go back for house. The mommy beg the pikin say make he put his on number for telephone. The pikin take that telephone, he put the number only for the pikin for this house. Pikin im up, e start rotting, im hand to start rotting. One time all the pikin is skin dey start rotting. Na so that pikin e take die. Population wan go burn the mommy house, country people dem, but dem no be fit for enter. They say the mommy be put something for e dome up wey e be dey like cross, wey dem no be fit for enter. After wey the population e finish broke the thing, na wey dey enter for inside the mommy e house, dey start broke am. Make we take una just now, we enter for on top the different matter for the house wey the chakara. Na the correct image just now for show na the thing wey the population for Newtown Areopo dey do for that mommy house. So today, as we talk, that mommy, no person e never see again for quarter. Now for here where that mommy be the shidon, where the population for Newtown Areopo the vex, they broke the mommy house, where they accuse the mommy saying that the mommy, he make that boy pikin, his skin, he start rotting, so the boy, he last die body for that pikin, they don't carry to go for a west region. We hear saying that for the way the pikin he come out, and at the mommy house that way the population inside a Newtown Areopo. The vex, the chakara, scatter out inside the mommy house, as we hear just now. So today, the mommy, he never show face, and no person, he no sabi with the mommy, he don't go as we tori enter for inside we hear. Now for Sika vex, where the population for Newtown Areopo vex, say the mommy, he make some boy pikin, he die. Now the photo this, for that small boy pikin who they talk, now in this, if we show now this bikini photo after we the bikini skin start rotting, una say go no go believe say na the pikin, but we hear say na after we the pikin he help some mommy, he put number for phone, he reach house, he mop, he hand, he start rotting. One time all his skin to rotting. So the pikin one na the see so he don't die and he no go fit for right. He exam this year and no other year for sake say they don't take it go village or go bury a maswetori enter for we ear. Now we go take una enter for place where they call am say New Bell. New Bell na for under Douala 2 subdivision 2 for one of the catch them inside New Bell. Na for day with Chakara. It be day on a Thursday for afternoon. More than 4 houses them with the Chakara for inside place where they call am say New Bell. As we Tori enter for inside we ear. Now this matter it is show say na palava for who it be get land title, who it no be get book for proof say na land. Na the thing that way it provoke this one way it happen for side for New Bell. And we hear say army people them or police and gendarme they be there for say make no person fight with the people that they be the Chakara. Na case where it consign people them where they get they claim for say na them they get land. Now way it provoke so way they broke people them the house inside some quarter for New Bell for Douala to a subdivision country people them. So since yesterday, more than 6 family them, the day where they no get place for she done, just for sika problem for book, for land, and house matter. We go enter just now on top different matter. Now for Cité Sick quarter, where it be wawa on Thursday for afternoon. Work people them for some company where they help the company where they look all light for we country for go check meta, they read them. Now them say where they be the make worker for vex inside a Cité Sick for Douala 5 subdivision on Thursday. The people they vex say after all the work where they do for company where they look all light for we country, they no gree pay them money. Now why that way they so they go for their big office, their company says a big office for ask money. They be talk say they no go come up for inside their office until they answer them, until they pay them money where it is show say na work where they don't do them. Last now for evening time where Mami Wata he can throw away the people them water and even a small gas before the people them left the company. As we Tori enter for we ear on go see say big people them they become for them for can talk peace, but it like say that peace it no be enter at all for this work people them here where they don't the work for company where the local lights. Now them they so help them for go read meta for people them, then give the number for the main company as we at Tori enter for inside we here. Custom people them to the day outside for work, country people them inside Limbe southwest region for place where they call them Kadata. More than 100, more than 1,000 mimbo them. The day we custom people, they don't catch them. They be go buy the mimbo them from Nigeria. Hide them for Caton. They be enter for Cameroon, for side for Limbe. Custom people them pick them. And all the mimbo just now, it dinner for inside the storehouse for custom people them for that side. So for inside Limbe, as we at Tori enter for inside we here. Now we go talk palava for Northwest, Southwest. With the year just now say this so all thing way the pass, whether na for Northwest and Southwest or na for far north. France, Emmanuel Macron country, it don't help Cameroon again with some cargo them for uniform people the way they go use them for fight people the way they want bring disorder inside we country. So now they think them that you get that thing where they wear them where if they shoot you gun you go be na odeshi bullet no go enter you except for your head. Then they get even that cap where they wear and cover their face plus even that small aeroplane where they call them say drone where it do image. So now they think them that where France Igiam for Cameroon they say na part for the combi between France and Cameroon and for fight against people the way they want cause trouble inside we country. So now that's where France it make for Cameroon. And on top this thing the way the pass for we country, whether na waka them for vex, whether na gone way the hala way people that die. Christophe Guilou, we na the ambassador na Makombi da for France, we dey for Cameroon. He says he be there with some non-governmental organization people them and NGO. You get the NGO people them and where they be the shidon for talk all the problem them where they happen for inside Cameroon. One of the people there they be give them invite, Barrister Agbobala Felix, where he sent us na Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa. He too be there and he be get time for talk with Oga Christophe Guilou on top matter the way the pass for his own side way the shidon and wait check say the fit do for say make thing them say the quiet. So Agbobala and Christophe Guilou and other people them they be there for Yawinde inside this small discourse. And as what I talk for now, when I sabi self says on new machine a day for place where they call them say Bafusam. Now the new hospital where it is so Ngomna build inside this hospital. Fine machine they way now for use and look person in skin. Person fit enter for inside. The machine go see all thing where they inside your skin. As well we will not fit see all thing for inside skin. So with the year, say maybe the first sick person where he go use that machine, it go surely be now for number 16 day for inside July. Say now the day that way the first sick person he go use that machine. Sabi say that way minister for sick people, Manauda Malashi, he be go for West Region, he be take time for talk say make they find people them where they qualify for do the work or for work with that machine. May they no go bring people there in a JJC. They come spoil machine and so we country they don't surely spend plenty money before they bring that machine. The only one will get for inside Bafusam just now as we Tori enter we here and also tell now Minister for Sick People Dr. Manauda Malashi he dey for Betua as so they talk just now. Waka for Minister Oga Manauda Malashi he dey na for go see as we the work for that hospital where they do am for inside Betua I don't go and for Waka to see as we other sick people them for different hospital they dey na the hospital that where they work am inside Betua. So minister go take time for look and for see wetin wey e dey and time where they go give the hospital official for Ngomna. We go enter just now for inside problem. We will enter for Corona. I remember for Corona this afternoon. Inside Ivory Coast, they tell we for side for Ivory Coast. 33 people that way they test them positive for Corona on Thursday. 43 people them well, no person no die. On top sick bed, 236 people them where they dey for sick bed with Corona. Since Corona enter Ivory Coast, 47,389 people that already catch Corona. 46,847 people that already well come up for sick bed. 306 people that don't die for inside Ivory Coast. Since Corona it enter for day. Nigeria also enter for day just now on Thursday. 122 new cases where they confirm say they get Corona for Nigeria on Thursday. But since Corona enter Nigeria, 166,682 people them they already confirmed and say they get Corona. 162,521 people they don't well come up for sick bed. 2,117 people that don't die for inside Nigeria since Corona it come. And just for Sabi, say the number 17 international bicycle race for Cameroon. Other people there, they run that race. They did rest today for Kribi. But Sabi say yesterday for inside Kribi, we did talk on Thursday. The race, it become out Douala, it go Kribi. The distance, 156.6 kilometers. Person wey win that race for Douala so they reach Kribi. Now this countryman wey they call it say Welling Sebrin. Now we go struggle for show you the photo for the person wey win race on Thursday. Country people them inside matter. Okay, maybe before we enter for that matter, we take on a first. We enter for DJ Drogba matter. Yes, make we come out for bicycle race. Make we talk DJ Drogba. DJ Drogba matter. Yes, DJ Drogba wanna sabi say na person wey di nag Damba. Bet. Apart from Damba, DJ Drogba he don't get another title. So now you go dey calling a Dr. DJ Drogba. Yes, no be na DD again. Dr. DJ Drogba. For inside Ivory Coast, DJ Drogba, they don't give honorary causa doctorate degree. Country people them so it be then a big day for DD for that side. So for Ivory Coast on Thursday. So just now, Dr. DJ Drogba. Yes, now the name be that. As we prepare to for enter for inside vote for Ivory Coast. Now we go talk Ndamba this afternoon. 8:30 Cameroon or 7:30 Cameroon time. Indomitable Lions, they go play with Super Eagles for Nigeria. The last training will be passed on Thursday. Sabi say for now, the only problem, now say Fabrice Ondwa, he no go catch today. For Sika say he gets some small cut for his hand. Say Dumbombo Joya, country people them, he be there with the national man team on a Thursday. And Iwaka, like president for Fekafoot, he be there now say make he go top for this man at the team them. Say may they play with Nigeria like say they play na cup or they play final. Say may they not take anything like play for Sika say that one too you go they count for their FIFA ranking. So say Dumbombo he go meet up them, he don't talk with them, and then they expect to say today for inside Vienna for Austria they go fit for play better Ndamba against Nigeria. So talk now with the here say Ngande where he go hold that captain band today for inside this first leg. And Sabi say Nigeria their own team to this afternoon. Team for Garnot Raw and the other men them they do their normal waka inside Vienna as soon as they see them country people them. It been a chapter for them. After they don't finish run, they finish make training. The Super Eagles them, the players them, they make small worker for inside town for Vienna. With the SHS now, apart from say one person no go play, one of the player them for Garnot Raw where they call him Osimhen, he no go there, but Garnot Raw is also get plenty player there with the also play with inside this chapter with the Cameroon for 7:30 Cameroon time. Now the time that with the match, he go play. Make we talk some more on top chapter for a bicycle race just now. As we be tell you now, the bicycle people them the rest today for Kribi, but 156.6 kilometers Douala Kribi. Now this countryman with the call him say Welling Sebrin. Now he win the race. He come on for Netherlands. He run from Douala so they reach Kribi. He used now 4 hours 18 minutes 40 seconds as we Tori enter for inside with earbed for the overall classification table. This Netherlands countryman he get na 18 hours 40 minutes 39 seconds, and for number 16 place 9 minutes 42 seconds far away from Kamzon Clovis Abesolo, the Cameroon man where he wear the yellow jersey just now for this international cycling race country people them. Sabi say Kamzon Clovis Abesolo he be run from Douala to Kribi 4 hours 18 minutes 40 seconds. For overall for general classification table he dey for number 1 place with 18 hours 31 minutes 8 seconds. Now he make away the wear that yellow jersey. Yet tomorrow when I Saturday Bumiabel Mbamayo, the bicycle race people them, they go continue their competition. Make we see where to a newspaper then get them for we just now for Inside Tori this afternoon. Horizon, Editewi, CMPS, UCCC, they don't sign a partnership. That one, now for say me they help some of the mayor them for on top their problem them for money. You go read Tori to a consign as well the bury Victor Amukete for Kumba. You go read Tori to a consign barrister Amungwa with the catch it for inside the Horizon newspaper. The Guardian Post, it day for outside this afternoon. inside guidance post dey tell we say 20 woman dem wey dey be na big woman dem, they don sign book send am for United Nations Security Council say palava for northwest and southwest dem must to talk am inside the next meeting wey they go meet up this year. Other tori too if you read na so the cotton wey dem too they don dey prepare for see as we when climate go change dem say they fit work on top the matter. Another newspaper this afternoon na The Voice newspaper dey talk. Another anglophone lawyer wey they don't catch am, you go read tori to a concern the first ever meeting with Bamenda Regional Assembly e hold am. The Post Weekender just now this afternoon e get its own chapter. Inside the Post Weekender they go tell we people dem for Bui wey they cry for say they dey so bomb their house, and right group wey they talk say may they left that lawyer for Siseko Ayuk Tabi wey they catch am for a house for that side, so for Yawinde. Other tori dem dey we wanna fit read for the different newspaper dem. Make we get people there where they don't lost this afternoon. We get some people them where they lost. With Tori House, he get Joyce Afeke Ndi. He too don't lost. She don't have for that side. So for Yahweh in the country people them for Polytechnic. As we Tori enter for we here and he don't come up for house since. Mommy and Papa they never see him. So God chinge NS. He back. Any man we don't see this speaking. 670-170-5 683-774-757. Number they will wanna use them for call the family or wanna report for any police station or gendarme office for that side. So for inside Yawinde, particular one day we dey for corner Polytech for side for Yawinde. Another case this afternoon, country people them for Percy we don't lost na this pa where they call it Peter Sema aka Papa up way too he don't lost, and Ma Evelyn na the announce say Percy we don't see pa up make it call number 651-980-106 676-774-753 country people them. So country people them that an announcement na bring we for end for inside Tori for this afternoon. Once a big thank you country people them for the Watat Eric Watat we put camera for my before, and Eric Watat he did for backside now this be the same image. Thank you to plenty for Derek and Malice with the join hand for Cemetery. It happened for this afternoon 12:30. Now on Saturday PG News Debate we go turn back for some of the main story them inside this week with change them. So till tomorrow if Papa God agree, una hold am tight for outside.